Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone in the universe? As you stare at the vast, infinite expanse dotted with stars, it's hard not to ponder the possibility of life beyond our pale blue dot. The universe is a colossal place, teeming with billions upon billions of galaxies, each brimming with countless stars and potentially life-sustaining planets. And so we find ourselves facing the infinite question, is there any evidence that aliens visited our planet? It's a question that has intrigued, puzzled, and sometimes frightened us for generations. It's a question that calls into question our place in the cosmos and challenges our understanding of the very nature of life itself. So buckle up, dear listener, as we plunge into the depths of this fascinating question. We'll sift through the evidence, unravel the mysteries, and perhaps, just perhaps, we'll find the answers we're so desperately seeking. Let's plunge into the depths of this fascinating question. Countless individuals claim to have seen unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, in the sky. These accounts, spanning across generations and continents, often bear striking similarities. Let's delve a little deeper into these narratives. In the heartland of America, a farmer tells a tale of strange lights dancing in the night sky, moving in patterns that no known aircraft could perform. Across the Atlantic, in a quaint English village, a retired police officer recounts an eerily similar experience. He describes a silent triangular object hovering before darting off at unimaginable speeds. Halfway around the globe, a group of schoolchildren in Zimbabwe insist that they saw a shiny object land near their playground. They even claim to have seen beings emerge from this craft, beings that were not of this world. Closer to home, perhaps, are the stories from commercial pilots, trained to identify every known aircraft. Yet they too speak of encounters with objects that defy explanation, zigzagging across the sky or accelerating to impossible speeds in the blink of an eye. And let's not forget the numerous reports from military personnel, trained observers who maintain that they've witnessed unexplainable aerial phenomena during their service. Despite the variety of these experiences and the vast distances between them, a common thread weaves through these stories. The witnesses often describe the UFOs as disc-shaped or triangular, moving silently and performing maneuvers that defy our understanding of physics. The witnesses are often left with a sense of awe, a feeling of having witnessed something extraordinary. They grapple with the implications, questioning their understanding of the universe and our place within it. These accounts, of course, raise more questions than they answer. Are these merely misinterpretations of natural or man-made phenomena? Or are they glimpses into a reality we are yet to fully comprehend? Could they be evidence of extraterrestrial visits? So are these eyewitness accounts mere hallucinations? Or could there be some truth to them? As we journey further into the vast unknown, we invite you to keep an open mind and consider the possibilities. Astronauts, the very people who ventured into space, have had some intriguing experiences. Let's take a moment to discuss some of the most compelling testimonies from astronauts and pilots who claim to have encountered unexplained phenomena during their missions. These are the men and women who have seen Earth from a perspective most of us can only dream of, and their experiences lend a unique perspective to our exploration. One of the most famous is that of astronaut Gordon Cooper, who reported seeing a greenish UFO during his 15-day orbit around Earth in 1963. He described it as a glowing greenish object approaching the capsule, which then disappeared when he attempted to film it. The footage was reportedly confiscated by the Pentagon, and Cooper was told he'd seen a high-altitude weather balloon. Then there's the account of astronaut Edgar Mitchell, the sixth man to walk on the moon, who has publicly expressed his belief in extraterrestrial life. He has stated that he is 90% sure that many of the thousands of unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, recorded since the 1940s, belong to visitors from other planets. And let's not forget the pilots. In 2004, Commander David Fravor of the U.S. Navy reported an encounter with a flying object that moved with unprecedented speed and agility. The object, described as white and shaped like a tic-tac, demonstrated aerial capabilities far beyond any known human technology. These testimonies are not limited to the United States. Cosmonauts and international pilots have also reported encounters with unexplained phenomena. Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space, reportedly saw a kind of flame, very beautiful and bright. And Japanese airline pilot Kenju Terauchi reported an encounter with two large UFOs while flying over Alaska in 1986. Remember, these are highly trained professionals, people of science, not given to flights of fancy. Their testimonies are not to be taken lightly. These testimonies from the stars certainly add another layer to the mystery. Beyond eyewitness accounts, there are numerous instances of unexplained phenomena that suggest possible extraterrestrial activity. With that, let's delve into the realm of the inexplicable, the peculiar, the downright puzzling. First on our list are the enigmatic radio signals from outer space. Astronomers around the globe have been baffled by these signals for years. They come from distant galaxies far beyond our Milky Way and are so powerful that they can outshine entire galaxies. The precise origin and nature of these signals remain a mystery, causing some to wonder if they might be the work of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. Next, we turn our gaze to the mysterious objects captured by satellites. Objects that appear and disappear without a trace, moving in ways that defy our understanding of physics. The famous Black Knight satellite, for instance, is an object of unknown origin that has been orbiting Earth for decades, if not centuries. Its purpose and origin remain unknown, leading some to speculate that it might be an extraterrestrial probe. Finally, we land in the middle of crop fields, adorned with strange patterns. These crop circles are intricate designs that appear overnight in fields around the world. The complexity and precision of these patterns are such that they seem to defy any human explanation. While many dismiss them as elaborate hoaxes, some believe they could be messages from extraterrestrial beings. Each of these phenomena, in their own way, challenges our understanding of the universe. They push the boundaries of what we consider possible and force us to question our place in this vast cosmos. These unexplained phenomena leave us with more questions than answers. Could they be the products of advanced alien civilizations trying to communicate with us? Or are they just natural phenomena that we have yet to understand? Until we find concrete answers, these mysteries will continue to fuel our imagination and our quest for knowledge about the universe we inhabit. What about the government? What do they have to say about these alleged extraterrestrial encounters? Well, let's journey into the world of government declassified documents. For years, government agencies worldwide have been known to maintain classified files on unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Many of these files have been declassified over time, providing a treasure trove of information for anyone willing to dig deep. Take, for instance, the United States Project Blue Book. Initiated by the U.S. Air Force in the early 1950s, it aimed to scientifically analyze UFO-related data. Though officially closed in late 1969, it had collected a staggering 12,618 UFO reports. While the majority were explained as misidentifications of natural phenomena or conventional aircraft, a small percentage remained unidentified. Across the Atlantic in the United Kingdom, the Ministry of Defense ran a UFO desk for over 60 years, collecting and archiving sightings reported by the public. When these files were released to the National Archives, they revealed over 20,000 reports of UFO sightings. But it's not just about sightings. There's the infamous Roswell incident in 1947, where it's alleged that a flying saucer crashed and the military covered it up. Despite the U.S. military's insistence that it was a conventional weather balloon, many believe the incident involved extraterrestrial technology. Declassified documents from intelligence agencies like the CIA and FBI also contain references to UFOs and potential extraterrestrial encounters. These files hint at possible cover-ups, investigations, and even attempts to reverse engineer alien technology. So, the question remains, are these documents proof of extraterrestrial visits, or merely evidence of our insatiable curiosity about the unknown? Could these files be the smoking gun, or are they just a collection of misunderstood natural phenomena and human-made objects? As we delve deeper into these government documents, one thing becomes clear. The intrigue surrounding the possibility of extraterrestrial encounters is far from over. The truth, it seems, could be out there. After exploring eyewitness accounts, testimonies, unexplained phenomena, and government documents, we are left to ponder. We've journeyed through a myriad of accounts, from individuals who swear they've seen unidentified objects dancing in our skies, to those who claim direct encounters with beings not of this world. We've delved into testimonies from astronauts, those who have ventured into the stars and returned with tales that defy our understanding of reality. We've analyzed unexplained phenomena, incidents that seemingly shatter our understanding of physics and natural laws. And we've scrutinized declassified government documents that hint at the existence of projects related to extraterrestrial life and technology. Through all of this, we've questioned, we've probed, and we've speculated. Yet, the definitive answer to our question, is there any evidence that aliens visited our planet, remains elusive. So is there any evidence that aliens visited our planet? The answer, as with many things in the universe, remains a mystery. But one thing is certain, the quest for answers continues.